Aha, the old sitting in the boot of the car drinking a flask of coffee trick, hey? I've not watched you guys for the last 2 years and learnt nothing. Hello, I wonder what that was. Morning all, second vlog. First one seemed to go okay, so I thought I'd try another. So this time I am not in the Fens, I'm in Northamptonshire. Not far away from me, about 40 minutes. I've come to a National Trust place called Lyveden New Bield. I'll give you a little bit of history about it in a bit, but if you look behind me here, you should be able to see an old Elizabethan unfinished building. It's quite a nice place actually. There's a load of compositions around here. I've come, as you can hopefully see, at sunrise. Got up at 5:15. Thought I'd take advantage of the opportunity to get up at a reasonable time for sunrise. In a few weeks, once the clocks go back, then it's going to be a bit tougher. So yeah, I thought I'd see how I'd get on here. I've already taken a few shots, and I'm covering the mic just to make sure there's no wind noise. Yeah, I've taken a few shots, and I want to take a few more, and actually I want to take a few more now because that sky is really lighting up. Hopefully you can see that, but that looks really nice. So I'm going to stop vlogging and get on with taking pictures. Speak to you in a bit. Got really excited there. There was a rainbow over the top of the lake over there, and I was like running around like a madman. I'm thinking, rainbow, rainbow, I've got to get a picture of a rainbow. Time I got my camera out, I thought, actually no, I don't like that over there. I'm going to try and get it over the top of the old building instead. So I like clambered round with my two tripods, remember, two tripods, clambered around with two tripods, was thinking, what am I doing here, what am I doing here? And I missed the shot completely. The time I'd finished, the rainbow had gone. Idiot. So I'm cooking along exposure here. I'm trying to get the clouds moving across the top of the building. As you can see there, they are moving a bit with this wind. It is working. I've done 2 or 3 exposures at about a minute. I'm on f9 ISO 100 and I'm using the 10 stop from Nissi. Yeah, I know I've not got anything covering my eyepiece, but it's not actually that bright. There's no direct sunlight, and I don't normally get too much bother with that. So yeah, I've got the 10 stop in, which is giving me exposure time of about a minute. So hopefully, I was to say, the ones I've taken out are a little bit too bright. I've blown the highlights a little bit, so I've just taken the exposure time down. I'm going to do this one for about 48 seconds, which it is now. So let's see what that looks like. Still there, I'm still blowing out the highlights, as you can see, so I'm going to just take that down a bit more, see if I can keep the definition. Oh, there's a, can you see that? There's a hawk flying across the top of the building. Oh, you missed it. Well, that would have been good to get in the shot. Anyway, I'll carry on with this and see how we get on, and hopefully if it's any good I shall post it up. Cheers. History lesson time. So this is, as I said earlier, Lyveden New Bield. It's called New Bield because the old build is the manor house, which you can't see, but it's over there, the other side of the trees. Now, this place was built in 1600 by a guy called Thomas Tresham. Now, Thomas Tresham got to a point where he wanted to get a bit of a retreat in his back garden from the manor house. He lived in the manor house, so he decided to build this retreat. So I guess it's a bit like having a summer house in your own garden in the Elizabethan era. So he built this place, but then his son, then he died. Yeah, then he died. But then his son, who inherited the place, was tangled up with a gunpowder plot apparently, and got arrested and was killed, executed in the Tower of London. So he obviously couldn't do anything with it, and then it passed to the other younger brother, a guy called Lewis, I think Lewis Tresham. He was he just liked to live up and spend his money and splash his cash out, and didn't really care about the building too much. So it ended up never being finished because he ran out of money completely. So it's in the state it is now. So it's an unfinished Elizabethan. I'm trying to move this around. Elizabethan retreat. Quite interesting. As I say, you don't often get a place that was half built in this area and then never finished, never even lived in. Yeah, there you go. Interesting, huh? So, I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thanks, really. I was blown away by the comments I got last week on my first vlog. If you haven't seen it yet, then I'll put a link up there. But yeah, I was really blown away and really appreciate the support I got, especially from the guys on landscape, on photography, on YouTube. Oh, I've got it wrong as well. I'll be part of the montage. But anyway, that Facebook group, got a lot of feedback for them, really good guys on there, and also the comments on my channel. So yeah, I thought with all that support, I'm going to get out and do another one today, which I'm doing now. And yeah, I'm quite enjoying this, to be fair. I did get up at silly o'clock in the morning, about 5:15. So, but anyway, I suppose that's not too bad considering. So yeah, I appreciated your comments, really did. So hopefully today will be another interesting vlog, and we'll keep you subscribed to the channel at least. I really like the comments on the channel, so you know, comment away and I'll answer them all. And yeah, I'm enjoying this, to be fair. I really am, and I think that I might do a few more of these now. I've done my second one. It just gets you out. It just makes you get out and take pictures. I was probably going to come out today anyway, but you know, this is really why I've come out, because you know, the vloggers forced me to do those. So that's fantastic. Gets me out and about, gets me taking photographs, and you know, gets me collaborating in the community, really. So yeah, it's been good. So anyway, enough of me rambling. There's a guy I follow on Instagram called Paul Benz. I'll put a link to his Instagram below. Really talented photographer. He actually pointed out this place to me, so I've actually got Paul to thanks for pointing me down this direction. But yeah, really talented photographer. There's a couple of trees, actually it's not these two, I think it's those two down there, which I'll show you in a minute, that he calls the twins. And he's got pet names for a lot of this area, and he's done some fantastic shots of this landscape. He really has. Really impressed with him. So yeah, thanks Paul for pointing me in this direction, and keep up the good work, mate. Really good photography. Okay, so I found a composition here actually that I quite like, with this gate and path just leading over the side of this little lake here. It's quite nice actually, and the light as it's coming through, it's getting on. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now. The light as it's coming through, you can see it shines. It's a really nice light on the gates there. So what I've done, I've got down here, I've set up on f11. And I'm focused 2/3 of the way in to give me some depth of field. There's some highlights in the sky with that sun that you can see that's coming through at the top there. So what I've done is I've dropped in a 3-stop hard grad. Sorry, a medium grad, not a hard grad. So I've dropped that in just to literally take away hopefully some of those sharp highlights in the sky and just blend that exposure a bit better. So yeah, I quite like this. Let me flip you around. So yeah, I quite like this shot actually. It's quite nice, so hopefully it will come out all right, and if it does, I'll post it up for you. So anyway, I'm calling this vlog a wrap. I have really enjoyed myself this morning. Sunrise was fantastic, really good. It was dark when I got here, so obviously I didn't vlog and really faffed around a bit, to be fair, at the beginning while I was trying to get a few shots of the sunrise. So I'm not sure what the start of the vlog was like, but hopefully you enjoyed it. But no, I'm going to call it a day, and this is my second vlog over and out, so hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. It's really just so to introduce you to Lyveden New Bield. It's a really good place, really great place to come and photograph, and yeah, you should come along. National Trust, open all year round, I believe. So anyway, I'm off now. Going to go back and get some breakfast, and I shall see you on the next vlog. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Please like it if you have liked it. Please leave me a comment. I love to read your comments and reply. And absolutely, please subscribe. I think I've got 20 subscribers after the first vlog, which was fantastic. So really be good to get a few more subscribers. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. Over and out. See you soon.